Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have for you the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. I love this machine. I've been using it and I've been making all kinds of waffles. Classic, sweet, and savory. And I really love the savory ones. And it's so easy to make. There's no flipping. You simply pour the batter in, close the top, and in a couple of minutes you have perfect 4-inch waffles. And the secret to this waffle maker is it will cook it evenly every time, and you can control how crispy they are. We have a phenomenal deal on it, and that's because we bought all the excess inventory from Weight Watchers on this special edition unit. And you get a special Weight Watchers recipe book, but unlike others, we're going to give you an additional recipe book that's available for download absolutely free, and it's on our website. There's so many things you can do with these. Now, I told you we have a great price. You can actually buy 2 of these for less than what you would pay for 1. So you can make 2 at a time. What I like to do is make a bunch up and freeze them so you have your own personal Eggo waffles. Plus, if you have kids or grandkids, they love this. It's perfect size for them, and if you're trying to watch your weight, this is the perfect size for portion control. One thing I want to point out is it comes in white or teal, no choices available. Now, I mentioned the savory waffles. One of my favorite is included in this recipe book. It's a cheddar scallion hash brown waffle, and let me tell you, you try it once, you're gonna want it every day. But as I mentioned, we have a great price on this, so head on over to the site and grab 1 or 2 today.